On today's video, we're going to check out this condenser fan motor that's not working. I'm going to check out a couple things here. I'm going to see if that motor's frozen, so I'm going to go ahead and try to spin the fan blades. Fan blades spin pretty good, so I'm thinking it might be my capacitor, and the motor does feel kind of hot. So let's go ahead and power it down and check out our capacitor. There's our capacitor there. It doesn't look very healthy, so let's remove it. First thing we have to do is remove any stored power in the capacitor. So just run a screwdriver across the terminals, and let's go ahead and remove it. This is a dual capacitor. It runs both your compressor and your condenser fan motor. There it is. Let's go get a replacement. Make sure we replace it with the compatible capacitor. Okay, here's the correct one here. Everything matches up. Just making sure. You have three connections on your dual capacitors. You have your fan, your HERM, and your common. HERM is compressor, fan is condenser fan, and then your common. So let's go ahead and wire it up the way we removed it. The first one I'm going to do is the HERM, which is your compressor. The next one is the yellow one, that's your common. It doesn't matter which order you put these back in. Then the brown one is our condenser fan. Get rid of that, and let's go ahead and install it. There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.